Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. This is just going to be my little quick part 2 of putting this particular planner together. I just wanted to show you how simple it was. I came on earlier, showed you how I added the covers. I'd already started the month, and now I'm just adding the last month in. I've got my paper towards the back. I've added my pin loop. And yeah, this planner's just about ready to roll. So I just determined ahead of time where I wanted to punch on my my punch here, and it's a Create 365 Happy Planner punch, and it literally can punch the divider and then half of the month and then the other half of the month. It does not like any more than that. So I am, just gonna have to be patient when you're punching with this particular punch. There is a We Are Memory Keepers punch that will also do disc planning, and I have it. I just don't think it's anywhere near as easy, I would say, as this one. So because this one I just pick it up and I go. The other one you kind of have to set it up, and it's great. I have all the different types of punches it can punch. It can punch the disc, it can punch the rings, and I think there's one other, but anyways. So I'm almost done here. I did the last month, and because I'm starting this calendar in July, my last month will be June, and then all this really nice note-taking paper, and again, I say this every time I get on. This is the Minnie Mouse Floral by the Lifelife Planner, and I really love it. I think it is beautiful. It's pretty. It's fun. There's whimsy, and it's pretty, and so I'm really happy. And I have the option for the dot grid, which I always enjoy. And let me stop and think. Yeah. And I want to think there was some graph in here lined, but hold on. When I get this finished punched, I will check the last bit of that. It's already in there because I had punched part of it and put it in, because you always need note paper, and especially these days for us. So, alrighty. Yep. Let me see. Nope. I think I just did dot grid all the way to the end. Yep. That's what I did. So that's it, guys. This is how easy peasy lemon squeezy it was to put this together. Again, I just used my discs from the Happy Planner Create 365. I had my cover, and it has JosephinesDesignscom, which is my email, which is my YouTube channel, which is my blog, my YouTube channel, and my Creative Memories login, and that's always listed below. My favorite 2 verses for this year are Colossians 3:23. Do all things as if unto the Lord, and then Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lay not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your paths. So I kind of need that. I keep thinking, oh, it's just for this year. No, it's going to be for every year, I think. And so then you have all the beautiful startup. And so there's that same theme that carries through. Again, Lifelife Planners and LifeLifePlanners with an S.com. And then there are their other media options. So, alright, with it you get the holidays and important dates, 2018, 1920, can you believe that, 2020, and 21. So this also gives you some habit tracker things if you want to work on that, and then your year planning at a glance. So that goes January, by the quarter, and I will actually pop this to the front because I started in July, not starting in January. So, yeah. Okay, see how easy that is? So if you're like me, you have arthritis, and you think of opening rings and closing rings, and this is so much easier. Once you get it punched, it is ready to go, and they will send it to you completely unpunched. You start off the month with a blank, that's where I was thinking to have the lined paper. Lined paper, you can write notes for the month, you can keep a list of something that you're working on, whatever, and it's great. They give you the monthly, they give you the weekly, and then I added this little card here, which is a Happy Planner, and then, yeah, that's it. And I decorated this a little bit because they look like that. And then I just go through each month, and each month the tab itself is covered in a nice cover, you know, protective cover, and then the divider itself is cardstock. The paper is very nice. For those of you who've been with me for a while, you knew how much I loved Plum Paper Planner because of the paper itself. Lifelife, exactly the same thing. It is nice paper. It releases stickers beautifully. It is just like, it's soft as silk. It's just amazing. It's easy to write on. You don't have any issues. So yeah, so I'm all done. I finished it up, and then again, like I showed you a minute ago, I've got notepads here in the back, note section, and then I've got the back cover. I can use that as a dashboard, and I also purchased a pen loop, which looks just great. So, alright guys, that's it. That is all that there is to it. I am set up and ready to go. The one I was using was in this planner, and I changed this to my project planner. And sorry, I've got some checks in there I've got to mail out, and then my budget planner. So I haven't started my budgeting yet, but I will soon. And yeah, but I love my project goal planning. It has been super great. I am going to look for something or make a pocket that will go in, and you can easily make them. They're not hard. And the same thing for this one. This one needs a pocket in it. And after that, I'm done. That's it, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, Lifelife Planners with an S.com, and happy planner project goal type project planning sheets and budget planner. And I think this came from the Target Dollar Spot, and I'm sure I will have one of my other bands on this one as well. And this is the Minnie Mouse Floral. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please be a part of us and join in. Hit that subscribe button. Also, you know, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time a video comes up. And yeah, I'm excited. I've got a ton of projects coming up here soon. I'm super excited. It's July, so Christmas in July. I'm going to begin on my Christmas tags very soon. I did not, when I was out sick, did not get my craft room finished up, but I did get a lot of stuff done, and I'm looking forward to getting in there. And then I'm going to begin on my Christmas cards. And I've got mini albums that I'll be putting together, and then other projects that are coming along as well. So, alright guys, come back, be a part of us. We'd love to see you, and I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I thank you so much for stopping by, and project done. Yeah. Okay guys, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.